Okay, ready? Come on up. Come on up. In the belly, in the belly. In mommy's fat. Come on, in the belly. No, you gotta put your foot in the belly. Come on, you can do it. Up, 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 up. Oh no. Oh, no. What happened? Oh no, we're not gonna do that. No. Where's your neck? One more time, one more time. Come on up. Come on.
14 and 16.
14 and 16. In the belly, in the belly. There's a spider there.
No.
Let me see it. Let me see it. You know what I think? What happened? I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Where's that belly? Where's that belly? Okay. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're being silly. You're too weak. You can't do anymore. Okay, Jolene, you're not paying attention. Here, pay attention. Come to the belly. Come to the belly. Okay, ouch. Do that. Okay, I'll help you. Okay, come. Jeez, you're real bossy. No, you gotta put your. Okay, now go. Up, up, up. Up the belly. Up the belly. Up the belly. Stand on my belly. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. All the way up. Up the belly. Climb in my belly. Come on. Get in there. Woo! It's not funny. It's not funny. What? Something in your house? Something in your house? What's in your house? I think it's a baby. I think that's a baby. Okay. Goodbye. Oh. Did you have a shower today?
Yeah.
And what did you do in there? What did you do in the shower?
Play and play.
Play and play? And did you wash something? What did you wash? The floor.
Too far.
Can I have a Cinderella kiss, please? Or a Snow White kiss?
Mama.
I would like a nice kiss, please. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm gonna rock my baby on the treetop. And the wind blows the great aurora. Are you a little baby?
No.
Yes, you are. Don't do that. What are you doing? Make sure you. What are you doing? No, that tickles. Did you spit on me? What is that? What is that?
That's a glove rabbit.
Take a face cloth and rub it.
Here, you. Take this. You make it look like it's really gross. Did she barf on me?
No.
She just barfed on me yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah, I had her laughing so hard after supper. I had barf on my forehead and my cheek. It was really gross.
It wasn't barf. It was just food that was left in her mouth.
Well, it smelled like throw up. Did you get a booger on me? Let's see your nose. That's where the booger went. Onto Mummy.
No, that's what she loves to do. That's her favorite thing when she gets picked up. Oh, there's a nice shoulder. It's a nice shoulder.
What are you squishing? Why are you squishing? What is that?